In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Agoda account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital footprint or simply don't need the account anymore, this step-by-step guide will help you through the process effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once that's done, head over to your search bar and type in Agoda. This will lead you to the official Agoda website. You'll want to ensure you are on their website to avoid any potential phishing sites. Now you're on the Agoda homepage, which looks familiar with its vibrant travel options and enticing deals. Our next step is to log into your account. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. This is vital because you can only delete your account from within your profile. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for managing account settings and personal information. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a variety of options, but you'll want to focus on clicking Profile. Choosing this leads you to a page containing all the details associated with your account. Now, we're getting closer to our goal. On your profile page, scroll all the way down until you find the link for Delete My Account. It might be tucked away at the bottom, but it's there. Don't worry. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Remember, this step is crucial because it sets the deletion process into motion. At this point, a confirmation message is going to appear on your screen. This message will include some reminders about what it means to delete your account, like losing access to your bookings and any saved travel plans. The message is there to ensure you're completely aware of the permanence of this action. If you're certain about deleting your account, look for the Delete My Account button provided within this message. You'll want to click it to confirm your action. Completing this final step effectively deletes your Agoda account. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the process and deleted your Agoda account. The steps are quite straightforward. Yet it's always good to make sure you're ready to lose access to all the information connected with your profile. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.